Hi, greetings for the day. Today we are going to dive into two latest Revit plugins powered by the Autodesk Platform Services, which is developed by our Conserve Solutions team. Today we are going to see the plugin developed by the Conserve, the LinkRemapper, and in next video we're going to see about the batch NWC export. So, what is LinkRemapper? In Revit, managing files is being hard today. So multiple links, whether the Autodesk Construction Cloud, BIM360, or like local drives, can be a nightmare when fold structures change. Our link remapper solves by bulk remapping and reloading the links, so you never have to relink one file at a time. So how this works, and what all the features that are available. So first of all, we can able to remap the links in the local and also in the cloud servers. For example, like ACC or BIM360. So let us dive into this, how this plugin performs and what all the features it has and how it exacts the results from it. So first we are going to see about the cloud. First, we are going to select the roles from the master checkbox, whether we need to select all the files or like I'm a file specific guy. I need to link any specified files means I can select the files accordingly. So it happens in two phases, like whether we can select all the Revit files or like or all the remap files, or like I can select only the selected files. Say example, I just need HVAC, so I can able to select that file, or else like I'm not any constraint over it. I need all the files to be mapped means I can able to select all. So once I select all the files, I'm just going to the next phase. Like I need to select the cloud where I can have the two options. One is like hubs and projects, another one is the selected file. So in hubs and projects, I just need to select what kind of hub my project files are being selected and where the project files are can be accessed. So once you get into that, you can able to select the project files which is need to be sleep. So here I'm just selecting the files whichever it is required. So either you can select the required file sets in this folder, then you need to see like whether the files are being in the same name as was mentioned in the map link, or like it will map accordingly the name that is being recorded in the link. So make sure that your link name and the selected file names are being the same. So once you done it means you can able to select the files. So finally you're going to see the path whether where your files are being remapped. So once you ensure the locations and the selected files are correct means you can get into the apply your file. So once you get that means you can have to have that reload summary here where project is success and what all the Revit that is being mapped. You can able to see the files like facade, structures, plumbing, HVAC, and everything whatever you get selected. So this is how the link remapper works for the cloud part. Now we are going to see like how these links are being managed in the saved path. So I'm just going to pick out two things here. One is like I'm going to unload the facade, and I'm going to unload the structure. So two things I'm going to unload. One is the structure, and another one is the facade. So I'm going to load these links into the local server. So how we are going to see, let's once get into that, I will select the CBox accounts. I click the revamper. So once you click the revamper means there will be a dialog box that is showing. Again, you need to select the files what is required. One is like the facade, another one is like structural. So these two things are being not loaded. So you can able to see the selected files here. Then you need to select the file location, locate the files. Just locating in the ID and the structural part, you need to select the folder here. So you can able to see the locations of the new path, how is going to be remapped. So once you click the apply changes means it will load again. Okay, you can able to see the success here. Once you see the manage links, you can able to see these two files which being remapped into the local, and rest of us as we discussed before, like it is being into our cloud storage. So this is how the link remapper saves your time and